Welcome back to another room tour, and today it is Ashford Castle in Cong, Mayo in Ireland. And this is really one of the best, most well-known hotels in Ireland. It's originally built in 1228 and has an amazing history. And yeah, this is one of the really truly old school luxurious hotels. So this is what a standard room is like, and it's very much that castle theme. Lots of traditional old artwork on the walls, but there's a lot of modern touches as well. So you've got all the usual features and stuff that you would expect to have in a modern hotel room. The bed is pretty spectacular looking. It is actually two beds pushed together, but yeah, you've got this amazing old part of the kind of castle wall in here in the room. And the one thing that you're not going to see from this room tour is just how much attention to detail the staff go to in here. It's one of the most attentive hotels I've stayed in a very long time, and that's really why you're going to stay here as well. It's not just a room, it's the views, it's the place, and it's how well you're treated. And look at this for a view outside. Really absolutely stunning view here in the castle. There is a cruise that you can go out on the lake. I think they bring people out at about 11 in the morning every morning, so you can do that as well. But you could spend forever here. It's such a nice hotel. There's everything you'd expect here. There's water, you've got usual modern stuff. You've TV, you've fairly decent Wi-Fi. Everything's here. They give you a little map for getting around the whole grounds. It is quite an extensive bit of land that it's on here, but it's also the old touches. Like, you've got some chocolates here, got a little welcome letter, and that welcome letter is even sealed with a wax seal on it. So yeah, very nice attention to detail that they do here. You've got the usual stuff. You've got plenty of storage in here for your luggage, and you've also got then all the typical sort of things. You've got a safe in here, a pretty good level of refreshments, and a mini bar with actually some nice stuff in here as well. It's not just the usual Pepsi and Coke and a usual beer. It's all quite nice stuff as well. So there is that as well. Now, bathroom next. Again, very nicely done, very old school. And you've got a bath shower combo here as well. Pretty good size. There's quite a lot of room. This bathroom is actually quite large. You've got two sinks there, plenty of everything that you're going to need in terms of toiletries and towels. Some more down there as well. So everything is very well catered for in here. But as I mentioned, this is a hotel that you come to stay in, not just for the room, but for the staff, the level of quality, the restaurant, the food, and of course the view, because, well, that is just stunning.